Here is how you run a standard patient case. After clicking a link, you'll see some type of screen like this. You start on the left side and go through the tabs from top to bottom as you complete tasks. Start with the instructions. The instructions will tell you something about your scenario. If you've been given a username or number, you can enter it here. If you haven't, don't worry about it. The next tab is the patient visit. Welcome to the scenario. Okay.
Hello. I am a virtual patient. It's nice to meet you.
Now I have the ability to respond. I can click on any of these options, or I can speak to the patient. It is preferred that you speak using the microphone button. Click the microphone button once to respond. You may say exactly what's there, or you may paraphrase. Hello there, Mr. Smith. Nice to see you.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is fuzzy.
That's silly. Fuzzy is not a color. I like the color brown.
Notice that by giving an incorrect response, there was feedback on the screen by turning the selection red and a sad face emoji. Your case may or may not have this feedback feature. Okay, let's see what we do next. Brown isn't my favorite color, but it sure looks good on you.
I am an individual. We are all different.
Once the case is complete, you'll receive a dialog box. Okay, and this case is complete, so we will go on to the report. Your report will give you some information on your performance and a transcript. You may receive some feedback on your choice here, and you can click on your choices to see what other options and how they would have been evaluated. Once you've reviewed this, press the Exit Case button. A confirmation will show that your score has been tallied. That's all there is.